Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Ton wallet for NFT transaction. Using your Ton wallet for NFT transaction is simple. Here's how to buy, sell or store NFT on the Ton blockchain. If you haven't already downloaded and installed the Ton wallet from the official app store or website, set up the wallet or import it using a seed phrase if you already have one. Now open the application. You need Ton coins to transact NFTs. Purchase Ton coins from cryptocurrency exchange or transfer them from another wallet to your Ton wallet. Now you can connect to NFT marketplace. Access the NFT marketplace that supports the Ton blockchain. Popular options include getgains.io or TO and Diamonds. Look for a Connect Wallet option on the marketplace website and select Ton wallet to link to your wallet. Now, you can browse the NFTs. Once your wallet is connected, you can browse available NFT on marketplace. When you find the NFT you want to buy, click Buy and review the price and fees. Confirm the purchase and your Ton wallet will request you to approve the transaction. Verify all details and approve the payment. To sell an NFT, you need to have it in your Ton wallet first. Go to Sales section on the NFT marketplace, select the NFT from your wallet and set the selling price in Ton coins. Confirm and approve the transaction from your Ton wallet to list the NFT for sale. Always verify the authenticity of NFT project before purchasing. You can use a secure internet connection and enable 2FA for additional wallet protection. By following these steps, you can easily use your Ton wallet for buying, selling and managing NFT on Ton blockchain. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.